Today we are starting with the structure of nephron. Each kidney contains 1,000,000 nephron. Nephrons are referred to as the structural and functional unit of kidney. Nephron consists of Malpighian corpuscle and a long renal tubule. Malpighian corpuscle comprises glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. A bunch of capillaries present in Bowman's capsule known as glomerulus. The blood from the glomerulus carried away by efferent arteriole. The Malpighian corpuscle followed by the portion known as neck. The neck leads into highly coiled PCT, that is proximal convoluted tubule. The PCT has a U-shaped region known as loop of Henle. Loop of Henle opens into DCT, that is distal convoluted tubule. The urine forming in each kidney eventually enters a long tube known as ureter, which connects the kidney with the urinary bladder. Urine is stored in urinary bladder until the pressure of the expanded bladder leads to the urge to pass it out through the urethra. Now we will see, this is the nephron. Like this, many nephrons are present in kidney. Now we will study about the nephron. It has cup-shaped structure that is known as Bowman capsule. This is afferent artery. This is efferent artery, that is network of capillaries known as glomerulus. This is neck region. After neck, PCT is proximal convoluted tubule. This is loop of Henle, and then this is known as distal convoluted tubule, and finally it opens into collecting duct. Now we will see in what manner excretory products are removed out of the kidney. From afferent arteriole, which is wide tube, through this waste products are entered here in the glomerulus. Glomerulus work in the form of the sieve, means छलनी की तरह काम करता है, and waste products are in the form of semi-liquid substance. When wastes are moving here, they are filtered in the Bowman capsule. Exact waste products, they go down in PCT, but useful products, again they are carried by efferent arteriole in the blood. Now waste products from PCT, they will be taken down from here. They will go in loop of Henle, and from loop of Henle they will go to distal convoluted tubule, and distal convoluted tubule open into the collecting duct. Like this, many collecting duct open into the kidney, and from kidney through ureter waste product come out. Today whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.